Hello guys and welcome back to Homeless Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the HDMI no signal screen, like black screen, the resolution is messed up, etc. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is actually turn off the PS4. You're going to completely turn it off. You're going to make sure that it's completely shut off, and you're going to also need to make sure that these white lights that are on the side of the PS4 have been completely turned off. And the reason we're doing all of this is because we're going to be putting the PS4 into safe mode. And if you don't know how to do that, do not worry, I will show you in this video. So one of the things to keep in mind is that you will need a USB cable or just your PS4 charger. And now I'm going to show you how to put the PS4 into safe mode. So now once the blinking lights turn off, what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. So that was the first beep. And then that was the second beep. Now, once you hear the second beep, you can let go. Now you can focus back on the monitor. And any second now, the screen should pop up. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the PS button. Now from here, we're going to scroll to number 2, change resolution, and we're going to hit OK. The PS4 will restart. Now, basically, once this happens, it's just going to it's gonna say something about changing your resolution, automatic, and then you're simply just gonna click X, and then boom, you guys should be good to go, and the error code should be fixed. Now I'm just gonna show you in this video just to make sure, confirm it. Just gotta wait for the PS4 to load back up. Any second now, the resolution screen should pop up, but let's just wait and let's see. All right, there we go. Select the video output resolution. Now we're simply going to hit enter, and now the error code should be fixed, and you guys should not have any more error codes with HDMI, no signal, etc. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.